In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use management reports in QuickBooks Online. Management reports are a great way to package the key financial information from your QuickBooks file into a clean, professional report that you can share with owners, managers, or clients. Instead of sending separate profit and loss, balance sheet, and sales reports, QuickBooks bundles them together with a cover page and optional notes, so everything looks polished and easy to read. Let's start by getting to the Management Reports area. Once you're signed into QuickBooks Online, look over to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Reports. This opens the main Reports Center. At the top, you'll see a tab specifically labeled Management Reports. Go ahead and select that tab. This is where QuickBooks stores pre-built report packages you can use right away. You'll notice several options already set up for you. Common ones include a company overview, which usually contains your profit and loss and balance sheet, as well as sales performance and expenses performance. These are called compilations because they bundle multiple reports into one package. Choose the one that best fits what you want to present. For example, if you're preparing something for a monthly financial review, Company Overview is often a good starting point. Before you generate the report, you'll want to set the correct date range. Look for the Report Period dropdown. This control lets you define the time frame the data will cover. You can choose options like this month, last month, this quarter, or a custom range if you need specific start and end dates. Picking the right period is important because it ensures the report reflects exactly the time frame you're analyzing or presenting. Once the period is set, preview how everything will look. Under the Actions column, click Preview. QuickBooks will generate a PDF version of the management report so you can see the cover page, the included reports, and the overall formatting. Take a moment to scroll through and confirm that the content and dates are correct. From this preview, you can distribute the report in several ways. You can print it directly, save it as a PDF for your records, or send it by email to stakeholders, such as business partners or your accountant. This makes it easy to share consistent, well-formatted information. If you want to personalize the package, click Edit back in the Management Reports list. Here you can customize the cover page, add your company's logo, adjust the title, and tweak other elements. This customization helps your reports look professional and aligned with your brand without changing the underlying financial data.